Stair Construction Unit 1, Lab 1. This is how you build a stair layout jig. Please follow each step as shown to make the Green River stair layout jig. The instructor will provide you with material. You will need your basic carpentry tool set to complete this lab. You will need to obtain 1/2 inch or 3/4 inch plywood that is at least 26 or 30 inches long. Cabinet grade plywood is preferred but not required. You'll also need two 2-inch to 2.5 inch by 1/4 inch diameter carriage bolts with wing nuts, as well as 3 or 4 4-penny finish nails. The first step is to get the plywood from the instructor into joint 1 edge on the joiner. Then you can take that jointed edge to the table saw, set the fence for 2 1/8 inches, and rip 2 pieces at 2 1/8 inches. Be sure to use the push stick and the blade guard. If you are not familiar with how to use the table saw, please ask the instructor for safety information. Once you have your 2 pieces, take your 4-penny finish nails and tack the 2 pieces together, aligning one of the edges. Do not drive the nails all the way through. Now take the 2 pieces that are tacked together and back to the joiner with a push stick, joint both edges until they are even and flush. Make 1 pass on the jointed edge and then flip the set over end for end and join the other edge. Next, mark a length of 24 inches. We're going to drill 2 11/64 inch diameter holes 2.5 inches from either end. You can center on the width using your eyeball to get an approximate center point. Drill 2 11/64 inch diameter holes using the drill press. We use the drill press to be sure that the hole is perfectly perpendicular to the face of the wood. Do not use a handheld drill, as it will be much less accurate than the press. Also use a backer under the drill press so that you don't have tear out on the opposite side of your wood. Using a miter saw, cut the length to 24 inches. Then you can install the carriage bolts, as shown here. Hammer the square end in so that the square penetrates the wood and locks itself so that the nut bolt does not spin. You can now remove the nails and add the wing nuts. You now have a perfect, accurate stair jig.